Hello, welcome to my channel. Valentine's Day is around the corner and we're making a cherry cake. The first thing you want to do is to grease and flour your baking pan and set it aside. After that, we're going to weight the candied cherries and we're going to cut them in half. We're going to rinse them. We're going to dry them in paper towels, and then we're going to put them in a plastic bag with 2 tablespoons of flour. We're gonna check them, and then we're gonna get the dust, the excess uh, flour off. We're going to need regular all-purpose flour. We're going to need almond flour, oil, sugar, the zest of 1 orange, the cherries, vanilla, and 3 eggs. I usually mix all the wet ingredients first, the oil and the sugar, mix for about a minute or two, then add the orange zest and vanilla, mix for another minute, then I put the eggs. You can put them one at a time or all together. I put them all together and beat them for another minute or two until you get a creamy texture. Then you add the flour. I did it in 2 batches. Once that's ready, you're going to put your batter. You're going to put you're going to fold the cherries into the batter and put it in the oven and bake it at 350 for about 50 minutes to an hour. Once it's ready, you're going to wait 2 or 3 hours until the cake is cool. Then we're going to make the frosting, and for that I'm using powdered sugar and a lime or a lemon, whatever you have. Put a little bit at a time, and what you want to do is you want to blend and mix and incorporate the the powdered sugar into the lime juice or the lemon juice until you get a thick texture. Then you're going to use a tablespoon or a teaspoon to pour the frosting on top of the cake, and you're gonna let it sit there until for about half an hour so it is almost dry before you finish decorating the cake. And that is the texture that I like. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. If you have any questions, please ask me. And yeah, and share my channel if you like what I'm doing. And remember, there's more videos in the channel that you might like. And so you put the frosting on there, and then gravity is gonna bring it all the way down. So it's not that complicated. And you can do it really, really pretty, or you can just do it like I did it. And wait half an hour, and then I did the same thing with those cherries. I rinsed them, dried them, cut them in half. There's only 2 cherries of the candied cherries, and toasted a few almonds and put them there, and that's all. It's a very pretty cake, and it tastes really, really good too. If you could smell that cake, you probably wanna get your face in there. And that's the final product, and I still have to taste it. Uh, Thank you for all the likes, and we'll see you the next time. Chaito.